Hello, my name is Alvaro Ahumada, and this is my project for phase 1 of the virtual reality course. In this phase, I configure a virtual reality development environment in Unity using the virtual reality template, XR Interaction Toolkit, OpenXR, and the XR simulator. First, I install Unity Hub and Unity 6303.6 F1 LCT, which is the version recommended in the activity guide. I also install Android build support, OpenJDK, Android SDK, and Android NDK tools. Then I created a new Unity project using the virtual reality template. The project is called F1 Realidad Virtual Alvaro Ahumada. After creating the project, I changed the target platform to Android using build profiles. This configuration prepares the project for Android application builds. Next, I verified the XR Interaction Toolkit and open the DemoScene from the starter assets. I also configured the XR Interaction Simulator settings and enabled the required options. Finally, I ran the DemoScene using the XR simulator. I tested the virtual environment by moving around, interacting use objects, and using the available interaction features. This confirmed that the initial virtual reality environment was working correctly. I also verified the Android build process and checked the project configuration required to generate an APK. The project is now prepared as the initial development environment for the next phases of the course. Thank you for watching.